Of the question that required that the candidate discusses the short-term and long-term implications of downsizing, and the question had 10 marks. We have looked at 5 short-term implications. We have looked at long-term implications, 5 of them. And question E required that the candidates propose any 4 discrimination issues that may arise during downsizing. So the equation required that propose any 4 issues that may arise during downsizing. So the candidate is supposed to make a proposal that during downsizing, what are 4 issues? And in this case, the issues are discriminating issues, and the question had 4 marks. Now, during downsizing, an organization has to make a decision in relation to the employees who are there, in relation to who is supposed to remain, who is supposed to leave the organization. So firstly, there could be a discrimination on the area of age. An organization may say, we are looking at this organization going forward. So those workers, there could be those workers who are young, there could be those workers who are old, or the elder workers. So the organization may use this as a criteria and say, if we are downsizing, then they could discriminate on this basis and say that we are going to have an environment where younger workers could be encouraged to remain, and older workers who have worked for the organization for a given period of time could be allowed some soft landing. They could be given some incentives to be able to leave the organization, or to be able to go through voluntary schemes of downsizing. Now, secondly, an organization may use gender. Gender may be used in terms of male, in terms of female, especially depending on the tasks that are supposed to be looked at. So if an organization requires more of the female gender or more of the male gender, or a mix, then they could use this as a discriminating issue, and on the basis of this, the organization could make a decision. Then thirdly, an organization could use seniority. An organization could use seniority in terms of the duration of time. A particular employee has worked in a section, a particular employee has worked in a department, to be able to make a decision on who remains. Then fourthly, an organization may use experience. Experience may be used in relation to who has the longest experience within the organization, or if downsizing is done and some jobs are combined, among the employees who are there, who is the most likely employee to be able to get the work done in the shortest time possible, or who can be of more value and can, for example, be able to multitask. So experience can also be used as a discriminating aspect in relation to downsizing and appropriate decisions made. So this could be a proposal of 4 discriminating issues that could be used in a working environment to be able to determine the employees who leave the organization or the employees who remain in the organization.